think? Love it? No? I didn't put on makeup down here. So it's here. Slayed the mess out of it. But this is my Christmas wig. And you can't tell you, girl, nothing you can't tell me. I'm trying out my makeup for tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna wear red lips tomorrow. Because I haven't worn a dark colored lip in a while. So red lips, maybe, I don't know. I gotta clean my house. And someone's big package came in. So yeah. Good morning, guys. So it's 12:18. It's Christmas Eve. We do go to grandparents' Christmas this evening. So I have her hair blow dried. It's washed, blow dried, getting ready to flat iron. And hey, I did her hair. And it's all done and ready, except for, you know, this little piece where the neighbor cut. But I'm gonna put some wax on that so it stays down. But she's all ready. This is her outfit with her tights and her boots. So I'm gonna be ready for Christmas. So I'm gonna flat iron her hair, and then I have to go upstairs and get dressed because we leave at 2. What time is it?
It's 1:38.
1:38, and we've been doing this since 12.
Yes.
And her is finally done. Turn around. Ah. So this is her hair. Kind of brushed it out a little bit because the curls were too tight. And this is the length of her hair. Where? She is right here. And she's always in competition with Mad to see which one of their hair is like the longest.
We don't know.
Maddie, come here. But I think Mad has the longest hair. Because Mad hair, come.
All the way from her butt.
I love your dress. All right, hold your head down. No, not down, back. No, not like that. Just
straight.
Just
Just
hold your
straight.
head straight. Yeah, her hair is like, yeah. Her hair is mid-back. Her hair is
All the way down.
all the way down to her little boots. So,
Where did it get changed?
but Destiny hair has come a long way since I damaged it a couple years ago. I don't know if y'all remember. I had damaged her hair and had to cut it off when you were small. I think you were 3 years old. So this is not all her hair from when she was a little girl. If not, I'm pretty sure she would have been way ahead of Mad. But she needs a trim. But I'm gonna do that some other time because right now we need to go get dressed. Dress Maddie, please. Okay, guys. So we're all ready and done. I don't know if I like this lip color with the combination of my skin color. But try to get the wig to slay like it was yesterday. But Rob was rushing me, so yeah, I had to do my best. He's like, how long? I'm like, just give me a second, please. Let me just, slay something. Like, with Rob these days, I kind of gave up on myself. Because he's always in a hurry to go somewhere. And because he's a man, he just don't understand that us females takes forever and a day for us to get ready and to be put together. Like, he just don't get it. So I felt bad because he was sitting in the garage in the car. Like, that's Rob's hint. That's just Rob's way of saying, okay, I'm ready to go, let's go. So, but I don't know if I love this lip color with my foundation color. But I did the best I could. Anyways, we're going to grandparents for grandparents' Christmas. And that's all I have to say. I don't have anything else to say. It's raining cats and dogs. And it's supposed to rain
You ever seen
all.
cats and dogs rain?
Whoa. It's supposed to
You ever seen cats and dogs come down?
no. That's just a saying.
Okay.
Don't be literal. But I'm loving this wig. Her name is Janice. Janice, meet Janice. What? Match made in heaven. But anyways, I'll see you guys when we get there. So, we're at grandparents' house. Maddie's cranky, like usual. And I'm about to end the vlog for today. I'm gonna show you guys grandma's setup. And I don't know what's gonna go down from here. Nothing. Nothing. You should see Rob's outfit. Tighter than tight, you can see. My man getting ready most of the time flannel shirt. Let me show the Rob. Hold on. Yep. His mom moved. I forgot to tell y'all she bought a brand new house. So yeah, this is her fireplace, which I love. Because it's a wood burning fireplace. Like you could sit here and hear the crackling of the wood. So this is her little setup with the grandkids present. All these are for the grandbabies. We don't do adults gift giving. I'm about to get me a glass of wine. I didn't show y'all my outfit. Didn't show y'all the jacket I got from Walmart. I gotta show y'all the jacket. I'm gonna let Destiny show y'all the jacket I got. I got a jacket because I don't know what happened to all my other dressy jackets over the years. I think I just kind of gave away my stuff, but I'm gonna let Destiny show y'all the jacket I picked up. Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that jacket. It's cute. And I bought a green one. I bought a teddy bear one, but the outfit I wanted to wear with it. Yeah, like I was saying, I got a green. There, better lighting. I got a green one. Hold on. Okay, so I got a green teddy bear one that I wanted to wear today with a sweater, but the hair and the turtleneck was just not gonna work. So it would have been better to have like a longer wig that lays right here on the top of right here, so that the turtleneck is not like messing with the hair, if that makes any sense. First glass for the night. So good. Hey, Jason.
I love you.
Oh, so good. Yeah. I can only aspire to be this great at Milanessa. Never. Not never. That's for your dad, not for you. That's for you. Christmas ready. Juju, you Christmas ready, Papa? Huh? Are you Christmas? Rob brought him just in case we spend the night. Kanana. It's, what time is it now? It's like 6 o'clock. We still have 6 hours to go.
No, 5.
5. 5 or 6?
5, 6.
5, 6?
6.
Okay.
6. Because I was 3 years old and I never
I
had.
don't feel like waiting.
I love her little setup right here. OMG. This is her nativity scene, which I inspired. This is her little tree. She doesn't do a big tree. So this is her little tree. Isn't it beautiful? I just want to eat that candy cane. Like, I just want to take the candy cane off and eat it. And then this is her nativity scene. OMG. I'm doing the black ones. Like, I'm collecting all the black people for my nativity scene. But, oh, look at Jesus. OMG. I love it. I want it.
I just had to turn it up.
Anyways, guys, I think I have enough footage. No.
No?
I don't want her to have to move her stuff to accommodate us.
For you?
For me.
You move the gifts, Janice, for over there.
Me move the gift. I didn't input. Okay. All right.
I'm cooking. I'm doing the milanesas.
Okay. Then the gift will stay right there.
No, pero lo pueden poner para un costado porque no
Sí.
tiene otro lugar.
No, no, está bien.
Y si
No,
está,
I like it the way it is right there.
que los nenes lo pongan acá.
You gonna say hi, man?
Okay, ahora vengo.
Anyways, this is it for today's video. We're almost at the end of Vlogmas. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. Happy Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. I hope you guys are having an amazing Christmas Eve wherever you are in this world. Just know that Jesus is the reason for the season, so don't be sad if you don't have it to give, and just know that you are loved by someone. Some random stranger in this world loves you, and that's all that matters. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Peace.